Hey there, I'm Heather, and this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach and beyond.
Beachy Beach.
Today, we've got an adorable unit at Nautilus Cove. You can take your golf cart right down to the water. We've got to go check it out. Welcome to this wonderful Nautilus Cove 4-bed, 3-bath property. It's great. Look, you come right up the stairs in this open living space, plenty of room for all the people that can stay in a 4-bedroom, moving right into your dining area, and of course this kitchen with nice granite countertops. Now, what could you do here? It could be your second home, it could be your full-time residence. It's a perfect little community sitting right next to Busy Bee. You can golf cart to the sand, which is phenomenal. You can hit Pier Park in 5 minutes or head into the east side of Panama City Beach. Now, let's go check out some of these bedrooms. So as I mentioned, you've got 4 beds and 3 baths. Well, 2 of the bedrooms on each side are en suites. It's perfect for you to have 2 families and then a couple of rooms for the kids. You've got a bunk room for 4. You've got another bedroom. I mean, you can use the second level unit, whatever your heart desires. So for more information, look at the description below. I've got the listing link for all the added details, price, square footage, and everything you'd like to know. And don't forget, subscribe to our channel, thebeachshow.com, and ring that bell. You don't want to miss out on any more deals like this beauty.